Hi, good morning. Today we're doing Tiguan, Allspace, and this is our line, you can see here. And the problem of this Tiguan, when we diagnose, if you can see here, engine light is on, and sometime when the car is hot and then you put in the drive and his car goes into the limp mode and is saying reverse gear not engaging. And when we trying to diagnose it, I'm going to show you. Look, if you can see here, this is a OGC gearbox, DQ381, and when I am going to try to read the code, you can see here P176F00 position sensor for clutch 2, electrical error. That's the common problem. And sometime is saying P173500 position sensor for clutch 1, electrical error. That's the very common problem in Tiguan, e-tron, and Audi and VW Passat. That's the common problem on this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the Megatronic unit. We have to take it out and refurbish it and put back on there, and we will do the service as well, gearbox service, and the car will be ready in 3 to 4 hours, and you can book, will do same day, and the car will be ready, and is come with the warranty as well. You can see my other video as well. We're doing every day how many we done it, and no problem, and you can check my review. My address is Hounslow Motors Ltd, 167 Hanworth Rd, Hounslow, near Heathrow, only just 4 miles from Heathrow, and we can repair your car same day. My name is Terry. My phone number is 07402536382. You can contact me anytime. We can solve your issue and the car will be fine. Thank you. Bye. Take care.